Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly general love reading for the month of Feb. While I shuffle the cards, please note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I'm doing the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and begin. What I see for you here is you have the Knight of Pentacles, the Magician card, the Three of Cups, and the Four of Cups. Your person has the King of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Emperor card. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot card, which is the Cancer energy. So either you or the other person wants to move very fast, okay? Either it's in your direction or it could be in a totally different direction as well. Now let's see. What we have for you here is the Knight of Pentacles with the Magician card, the Three of Cups and the Four of Cups. Now, the Knight of Pentacles, Scorpio, shows a very slow moving energy. However, this knight is one of the best knights that we have in the deck, because this person though is very slow moving, okay, which is your energy. However, this person is very stable, okay. That's the good thing about this particular knight. Now with the Magician card, you want to go ahead and make sure that all the four elements work in your favor, okay. So maybe that is what you would want to go ahead and do. You want to make sure that you increase the pace of this knight. So if you're moving towards this person, you might want to go ahead and increase your pace. Maybe that is something that they don't like about you, and that's how you are as a person. So you might want to go ahead and just think about it and do some introspection. Now what I also see for you is the Three of Cups with the Four of Cups. Now I see that there was some socializing, okay, that happened. So you were definitely invited in some social event, or you will be in the future. And it also looks like that in that particular social event, okay, maybe there will be somebody who will offer you a cup of love, but it seems that you're not interested in that person, or you will just go ahead and decline that particular cup of love because that's something you don't want. You are a little bored out of it, and you're just not ready for that particular cup that the person will offer you in that social gathering. Now what I see for your person is the King of Cups with the the King of Pentacles with the Ace of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Emperor card. Now the King of Pentacles is a very stable person, very financially abundant, has all the finances in place. So this person has their finances in place, is somebody who is doing well for himself or herself, okay. We don't have gender in tarot, so this person could be anybody, a masculine or a feminine. However, this person is quite stable. Now this person wants to go ahead and give you a cup of love, okay. The Ace of Cups is a love offer that they want to go ahead and give you, but they're stressed out, okay. They are stressed out because they're not sure if you'll take that cup of love from them, okay. And they want to go ahead and give you that cup of love, which is currently causing them a lot of sleepless nights. But what I see is that at one point in time, this person will go ahead and get into the Emperor energy, which is the father of the deck, okay. They will go ahead and lead by example, okay. So they will definitely offer you this cup of love, but it might take some time for this person to go through this particular process, where they will initially go through a lot of stress, they'll do a lot of thinking, and then finally when they reach this particular energy, they will approach you, and that is a very confident energy about them. Now what I see as the mutual feeling both of you have is the Temperance card, which is a very balanced energy that both of you want. So with the yin yang energy that we have here, both of you would want to have a balance in this particular relationship. Now that's a very positive thing, that is a mutual feeling, okay. What is the blockage in the relationship is the Nine of Cups. With the Nine of Cups, it means that either you or the other person, or it could be both of them, have a very lazy, kind of a laid back attitude, okay. You go ahead and maybe procrastinate things. You think that, okay, if you have to go ahead and have a conversation with them, or if you want to go ahead and do something for them, maybe you can do it after a month. Okay, so that's the energy which could be a blockage, because that's something maybe this person doesn't like about you, or it could be them doing it to you and that's what you don't like about them. Okay, now what's the outcome that I see for this relationship is the Hermit card. So at one point in time, you will definitely go through the Hermit energy, wherein you will go ahead and step back. You want to think if this is something you really want to go ahead and invest your time into. If that's something that is not making sense to you, you will go ahead and do a lot of introspection, and once you're back, you might want to just have a very honest conversation with this person, that this is something that you don't think will work out in the future, and it's best that both of you part ways. And it's always advisable that you go ahead and have those conversations instead of just procrastinating and being lazy about it. Okay, now let's go ahead and also see what's the intention of this person for the relationship. Let's see one card here. Let's take one card. Now what I see here is the Fool energy. So it looks like that you will take that one big leap of faith, or this person will, and they'll move into a different direction. Okay, if this is something that will not make sense to them and they feel that, okay, this is not going to work out, they will move to a different direction. They'll take that big leap of faith and they'll just march forward. Okay, now let's go ahead and quickly also see what is the intention of this person. Let's take one clarifying card on this. Okay, let's take one more. Spirit, can I have one more card here, please? So yes, they definitely want to have a victory. Okay, the Six of Swords is a victory card, but if at one point in time they feel that this is something that you don't want, or this is not going to add value to them, they will march forward in a different direction altogether, because they want victory out of the situation. And it looks like that this person is very clear on what they want. Okay, if things are not as per the plan that they have for themselves in their life, they will move towards a different direction. Now let's also see what the archangels have for you. So we'll take a message from the archangels and also a crystal that can help you in this situation. Okay, so let's take one card. Can I have one card here, Spirit, please? Let's take one card here. Okay, all right, so the one card that I have for you is Rutilated Quartz. Okay, that's the crystal for you, and we also have a message. Okay, so the message for you is, are you ready to move forward with your life? You have the courage within yourself to move ahead with your ideas by getting the wheels in motion to create your project or intention. Recognize the amazing powerful person that you are and shine on. So that's the crystal for you. You might want to go ahead and check about this crystal. And there's also a message for you from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you today. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe. And till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.